home lovers. I've got a very fun and creative home for you today in Belgrave. I'm not going to keep you waiting because let's face it, we all just want to get inside and have a sticky beak and see how these people live. So let's go do it. Hello treehouse. Look at that view. There are so many gorgeous plants in here. Look at this fiddle and that rubber tree as well. And speaking of greenery, would you take a look at these gardens? Furniture here is really cool. A few op-shop finds I'm vibing. I love the colour, especially this emerald green couch. Fun filled shelves. I love a good full shelf. It's so cool. And plant paraphernalia continues. How cool is that Monstera mobile? Fun little office space here. Kitchen dining. Oh, such a fun kitchen. I love this. I love the colour in here. That pink is really cool. It's not like a girly pink. It's like a nice dusty pink, which looks really nice with that dark teal blue cabinetry. And just look at these ceramics. Look at how beautiful all of these mugs are, vessels. Oh my gosh. And what have we? Yep. So, cup of tea. All right, let's put the kettle on. So, we'll wait for that. Let's go check out the rest of the house. Look at this other big living area. How cool is that sloped ceiling with those exposed timber beams? Massive couch, awesome balcony, and roaring fire. Oh, how good is that? A little bit of kindling in. Very cozy. I love this room. This is a fun checkerboard floor. Again, we've got a cute little plant corner happening here. Shall we go outside? Hi! Oh my gosh, you guys are so cool! How's that? Don't even have to go to the shops. Thanks, chickens. Look at this guy. Oh my gosh. He is one cool dude. Pop these in the kitchen. Kettle's just boiled. We'll come back, but should we go upstairs first? Left or right? Left or right? Left. So many gorgeous plants, trinkets everywhere, and oh, how cool is this kids' room? This belongs to Rathman. I love that. He gets to look out onto the chickens, and then how fun and simple is that triangle painted on the wall? We've got more kids' territory. This is Ava's room. Again, looking out onto the chickens. You've got the beautiful sloped ceiling. Ada is a very lucky girl. All right, master time. How nice is this? Very peaceful, very calm and serene. Gorgeous handmade bed. And then, again, plants everywhere. I love it. You've got an ensuite through here. You've got a walk-in robe as well. We've got guest toilet. And then up here, come on, you got an awesome bathroom. And yes, it's filled with plants. I love it. I love it. It's so, I don't know, plants just make everything feel better, don't they? All right, let's check on that tea. Oh my gosh, which vessel am I gonna use? This one or this? You know what? I love this pattern. Let's choose this one. So nice. Let's go take a seat. This home is chock full of personality. There is so much to love about this home. Not only is the location itself absolutely breathtaking. I mean, you're literally living amongst the trees here. We've heard kookaburras, we've seen parrots, we've got chickens out the back. This location is just amazing. But aside from that, this home, oh my gosh, personality everywhere. There's artwork in every single corner, every single space you look. There's a beautiful ceramic or trinket. There's plants everywhere you go, and I love indoor plants. I'm a massive fan of plants. To be honest with you, plants just make everything look 10 times better. I don't know how many plants there are in this home, but there's a hell of a lot of them. The owner is a self-proclaimed plant tragic. There ain't nothing tragic about indoor plants, by the way, but I love that she's got this many plants in her home. She just says that she loves all the different shapes and all the different personalities that come from all these plants, and they just make her happy. And you know what? I'm down with that. The plants really do make this home. I mean, they really are in every different nook and cranny that you can see. And there's different ones. There's hanging plants, there's terrariums, there's plants even in the mobiles. There's plants everywhere. There's different sizes, there's different heights. And to be honest with you, when you're styling your home, plants are a really great styling tool because they can pretty much make any space look good. You can tell that the owners really love handmade pieces. There are so many incredible pieces in this home. The handmade ceramics, there's also some handmade furniture pieces as well. The dining table, the desk, the shelves in the kitchen, the bed, the desk in the kids' rooms. I mean, there's so many pieces that have been handmade by either the owners or friends. And they've also picked up a lot of really cool op shop finds as well. And they've paired that with some really affordable furniture, which looks great. The owners here, I mean, they are creatives, and you can just tell they've got a really good eye for detail. They know color, they know what will work, and they've just combined the most amazing tones. And also this couch that I'm sitting on is beautiful, this emerald green. But we've got to talk about the color in that kitchen. Oh my God, that dusty pink. I didn't think I would be that obsessed with pink tiles, but they are just so nice. They've got that really gorgeous charcoal grout. They were all hand done by the owners as well. There's a lot of love and a lot of work that's gone into making this home beautiful. They contrast beautifully with that blue, dark teal cabinetry, and there's that nice splash of white and gold. It works really well. It modernizes the space, but it still ties into that fun, colorful art vibe that we've got going on through here. There's so many open spaces here, and there's so much light coming in from those beautiful windows, but at the same time it doesn't feel too big. It's very cozy, and especially that back living area as well with that fireplace. That is a really beautiful cozy area to be, and I think probably one of the nicest rooms in the home. But I gotta say, that kitchen space, that is truly something special. It really does feel like the heart of the home. The sloped ceilings are amazing. So this home itself was an original home from like 70s or 80s. The owners didn't have to do that much to it other than just a few cosmetic changes and just painting a few areas and mainly just fixing up that kitchen. But the bones of this building are just spectacular. Those exposed timber beams, they are awesome. I love them. They really set the tone. The house is on a slope, so it does have these really nice sloped different levels and layers, and it's really nice actual perspective when you're up on that upper level where the bedrooms are, looking down over that living area. It's all so connected. It feels just so friendly and warm, and it's such a happy family home. It's pretty rare to get like a really good sized garden in Melbourne, but I mean, this has got more than that. Not only have you got a garden out the back, but you've just got that wood pile, the chicken coop, and there's even a veggie patch down the front. There is so much space. I can't even imagine what it would be like being a kid growing up here. It is so incredibly beautiful. Literally everywhere you turn in this home, there's something to take a photo of. I've literally gone around and Instagrammed this entire place. Every single corner, vignette, there's some really nice styled pieces, and you can just tell again the owner has got a beautiful eye for detail. Everything just seems to have a story. And I mean, look at this beautiful mug that I'm drinking out of. I mean, just the mugs alone make drinking tea a beautiful experience, and that's what this home is. It's a true experience. This home is just 100% genuine. It's filled with personality and is a true reflection of the creative people that live here. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this home tour, please let us know, like it, comment, or subscribe to our channel, or do all three. We'll catch you next time. Bye. They call me Axe Lady. David Foster, eat your heart out.